Have you ever felt that soul crushing weight of being broke, living paycheck to paycheck, and wondering how the heck you'll ever get ahead? Don't worry, we've all been there. But what if I told you there are some seriously slick hacks to help you save cash and slowly build that wealth? Look, getting rich quick is a myth peddled by snake oil salesmen. But you can get rich slowly by making smart money moves and embracing a frugal lifestyle. So today I'll take you to 10 money saving hacks to try if you're broke. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. When you're broke, it feels like an endless cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, with no room for saving or investing. You're constantly stressed out about making ends meet, let alone putting money aside for the future. Plus, the temptation to splurge on little luxuries or nights out can be strong, especially when you're young and trying to enjoy life. But here's the harsh truth. If you don't get a grip on your finances and start saving now, you'll be stuck in the broke cycle forever. And we all know that's no way to live. You'll never be able to build wealth, achieve financial freedom, or live the life you really want. It's a vicious catch-22. You need money to make money. But how can you save when you're barely scraping by? That's where these money-saving hacks come in. They're simple, practical tips that anyone can implement, no matter how tight your budget is. And the best part? They'll help you keep more cash in your pocket without feeling like you're depriving yourself of all of life's little pleasures. Alright, it's time to level up your savings game with these 10 genius hacks. Buckle up because we're about to get scrappy and transform you from a broke baller to a wealthy warrior, one penny at a time. Starting off with number 1, embrace the subscription slaughter. We all know the streaming service struggle. You sign up for one, then another, and before you know it, you're drowning in a sea of monthly fees. It's time to get ruthless and do a subscription slaughter. Cancel any service you're not using regularly, and consider sharing accounts with friends or family. Hey, sharing is caring, right? According to a recent study, the average person wastes over $300 a year on unused subscriptions. That's money that could be going straight into your savings account. Number 2, become a meal prep master. Eating out is a surefire way to drain your bank account. But don't worry, because meal prepping is here to save the day and your wallet. Spend a couple of hours on the weekend whipping up delicious meals for the week ahead. Not only will you save a ton of cash, but you'll also impress your friends with your culinary skills. Who knows? Maybe you'll become the next viral TikTok chef. The numbers don't lie. The average American spends over $3,000 a year on eating out. That's enough to fund a serious savings goal or even a decent vacation. Number 3, negotiate like a boss. You know what they say. If you don't ask, you don't get. It's time to channel your inner negotiator and start haggling like a pro. From cable bills to cell phone plans, there's always room to haggle for a better deal. And hey, if the company won't budge, be prepared to take your business elsewhere. Remember, you hold the power here. Studies showed that simply asking for a better rate can save you hundreds of dollars a year on recurring bills. It's like free money just for having the guts to speak up. Number 4, embrace the thrift life. Fast fashion can be tempting, but it's a surefire way to drain your bank account faster than a hole in a leaky boat. Instead, embrace the thrift life and become a second-hand shopping pro. Not only will you save a ton of cash, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment. Plus, who doesn't love rocking a one-of-a-kind vintage find? The average American spends a whopping $1,800 per year on clothing and accessories. By thrifting, you could easily cut that spending in half or more. Number 5. Become a coupon warrior. Couponing might sound like a hassle, but trust me, it's definitely worth it. Imagine the thrill of watching that grocery bill shrink before your eyes, all thanks to your mad coupon skills. Sign up for loyalty programs, scour the internet for promo codes, and never leave home without your trusty coupon binder. You'll be a saving superhero in no time. Extreme couponers can save anywhere from 50 to 90% of their total grocery bills. That's money that can go straight into your savings or investments. Number 6. Ditch the gym membership. Gym memberships can be a major money sink, especially if you're not using them regularly. Instead, get creative and embrace the great outdoors. Go for a run, do some bodyweight exercises in the park, or even turn your living room into a home gym. Not only will you save cash, but you'll also get those endorphins pumping without breaking the bank. The average gym membership costs around $60 per month or $720 per year. Canceling that membership and getting fitness for free is an easy win. Number 7. Become a DIY dynamo. Why pay someone else to do something that you can easily tackle yourself? Embrace your inner DIY dynamo and start tackling those home projects head on. From simple repairs to creative crafts, the internet is your oyster when it comes to finding tutorials and inspiration. Not only will you save a fortune, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing you did it yourself. Paying a handyman for basic jobs can easily cost $100 or more, but DIYing can bring that cost down to just the price of materials. Number 8. Embrace the staycation. Dreaming of a tropical getaway but can't afford the steep price tag? No worries, because staycations are the new vacation. Explore your local area like a tourist, check out free museums and attractions, and take advantage of deals and discounts. You'd be surprised at how much fun you can have without leaving your backyard and without breaking the bank. The average vacation costs thousands of dollars once you factor in airfare, hotels, food, and activities. A staycation lets you have fun for a fraction of that cost. Number 9. Cut the cable cord. Cable bills can be a serious drain on your finances, especially with all the streaming options available these days. It's time to cut the cord and embrace the world of streaming services and antennas. Not only will you save a bundle, but you'll also have the freedom to watch what you want, when you want, without being tied to a pricey cable package. Ditching cable in favor of streaming can easily save you $100 or more per month. That's over $1,200 a year you can sock away. Number 10. Embrace the side hustle. Let's be real. Sometimes cutting expenses just isn't enough. That's where the mighty side hustle comes into play. Whether it's driving for a rideshare service, freelancing your skills, or selling handmade crafts online, a side gig can be the key to boosting your income and reaching your financial goals faster. Embrace the hustle, my friends, and watch those savings soar. Even just earning an extra $500 per month from a side hustle can give your savings a massive boost. If I had to choose the hack with the biggest potential impact, it would be embracing the side hustle. Look, we all have the same 24 hours in a day, but what separates the wealthy from the broke is how you use that time. By dedicating even just a few hours per week to a lucrative side gig, you can seriously amp up your savings and income. I'm talking everything from freelance writing or coding to driving for ride shares to selling products or services online. The possibilities are endless in today's gig economy. And the best part? You can start earning extra cash flow right away to turbo boost your wealth building. For example, let's say you spend 10 hours per week doing freelance graphic design on the side, earning a conservative $25 per hour. That's an extra $250 per week or $1,000 per month. Over the course of a year, That adds up to $12,000 of additional income that can go straight into your savings or investments. Talk about life-changing money. Consistency is key here. Even just a few hours of hustling per week can yield massive results when that side income is funneled directly into wealth building over months and years. It's the ultimate money saving hack that can radically transform your financial trajectory. Well, that's basically 10 money saving hacks to try if you're broke. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Now it's your turn. Which of these money-saving hacks resonate with you the most? What frugal tips have worked for you? Drop a comment below and let's keep the money-saving conversation going. Till next time.